Have you ever been in a situation and you pick up your phone and find out that your daughter, your child, has deleted the most important document on your phone? At that point, what do? Not to worry, there's a way out. Because deleted documents on your phone can be recovered, just like you can also recover deleted documents on your laptop. So deleted documents on your phone can be recovered. So that's what we're going to be teaching you today. Alright, it's very, very simple. So let's dive into it. Come on, let's go. Alright, let's dive into it. It's very simple. Okay, first of all, download this app, recover deleted files. That's my contact over there, and let's delete some contacts and recover it. This one, delete. Let's look for another one. In my drama, delete this one as well. Right, let's look for another one. Okay, so another tip is this: you must try to back up your contacts, because that is one we're starting with today. Just like you can see on your screen, you must back up your contacts. It's either sync your phone with your Gmail, so that whenever you lose your phone, you can always get your contact from your Gmail. Let's delete another one again. Should we? Okay, let's delete this very one. Okay, alright, let's open the app now. Allow it to load for a moment, and make sure you switch off your internet connection, because there's a lot of ad on this app. The app is nice, there's a lot of ad on it. Click on start. Then click on contact recovery. There you go. Take a look at this. That's the Emma drama that was deleted. Emmy photo, everything back. Even this. Can you imagine? I can't even remember. Oh my god. Okay. Alright, good, great. So see, it's possible to recover your deleted contacts. Select anyone you want to restore, then click yes, and that's it. This app gives you the option to choose. You can decide to recover everything, all of them if you choose to. But I must tell you, it's best for you to back up your contact on your Gmail. That's easier for me, so that whenever you lose your phone or something happens to your SIM, then you can just recover it directly from your mail. It's very, very simple. Alright, let's go to the part 2 of it, which is recovering your videos, your documents, your pictures. This deleted contact can only recover your contacts. Alright, so let's delete these pictures over here. These beautiful pictures, let's select. Select. Should I take more? Should I take more? Should I take more? Should I take more? Should I select more? Okay, so let's delete them. All right, should we more? I don't think so. I don't think we need more. Okay, let's get rid of these two and search for it later. I love these pictures. Select more and delete all of them. This can happen mistakenly. When this happens with this app, you don't have to worry. Then this is another app entirely different from that first one. Open it. This one is called Deleted Data Recovery App. Okay, go to your Play Store and download it. Open it up. Then click on Start. That's after you have installed it anyway. Choose the file you want to recover. This one can recover contact, but is not as reliable as the first one. Recover video, recover contacts, application, audio files, and all that. But we're going to focus more on the image, on images, pictures, and all that. Wait a while. Wait a while. Wait a while. Wait a while. You can also back up your files on cloud, so that whenever you're in need of them, you just go there and pick them up. But just in case this happens, there's a solution. Here we are. All right, look at it. Look at it. Oh, that's a funny picture over there. Take a good look at this. Look at the picture that was deleted. Everything has been recovered, including the ones I thought is gone forever. Oh my god. Select and click restore. That's simple. You can see all selected photo has been restored. That is very, very simple and unique. Okay, that is it. Now please subscribe, like, and share. If you have any comments, leave it in the comment box below. All right, I'll get back to you. You can also suggest any tutorial, whatever you want us to do on this channel, we will do it. Subscribe, like, and share with your friends, with your family members, with your church, with your mouse, with anybody close to you. This will also help them just like it has helped you. All right, stay blessed.